How we respond to children's behaviours can really illuminate this difference between punishment and discipline. If we're using punishment to try and change behaviours, we might be able to achieve that through fear or shame, and it would give us perhaps a quick fix with regards to changing children's behaviours, but they might not lead to any sort of longer lasting changes. They wouldn't really help support children's social, emotional behaviour development, and they could actually impact negatively on children's self-esteem. If we're using discipline, and we think about the word discipline comes from the Latin to teach, it can be a longer process. It can take lots of practice to help children develop these positive behaviours, but it will lead to those longer lasting changes, and also at the same time it will help develop children's social, emotional and behavioural development, and it will also increase their self-esteem, which is a win-win situation for parents and children.